everybody, today we're going to graph these two equations. The first one is x minus 2 squared over 9 plus y plus 1 squared over 4 equal to 1. Now this looks like an equation of an ellipse centered at HK. Now if you recall, the equation of an ellipse centered at the origin, let's start with that one, is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equal to 1. Now, if it's centered at HK, then the equation of an ellipse would be x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1. So these are the equation of an ellipse centered at the origin or at HK. Now here it looks like we have a center HK. So the center is 2, negative 1. You can, if you want, we can rewrite this if you like. So you have plus y minus negative 1 squared over 4 equal to 1. So this is your h and this is your k right here. Now remember, here we must have a negative. Okay, so the center is 2, negative 1. A square is equal to 9. That means a must be equal to 3. And b square is equal to 4. That means b is equal to 2. Now if you notice, a is greater than b, so that means we're going to have a horizontal major axis. Okay, so let's see. First, to graph this, first we need to go to the center. 2, negative 1. Here's 2, negative 1 right here. So this is your center. Okay, and then we have to go to the right 3 and to the left 3 from the center. So 1, 2, 3. This is one of the major vertices, and then go 3 to the left. So 1, 2, 3. Here's your second major vertex. Now we go from the center up b or up 2. So 1, 2, and down 2. 1, 2. Now we try to graph now the ellipse. I'll try to make it the best way I can. It's usually hard to graph an ellipse by hand. Okay, now here is the graph of the ellipse centered at 2, negative 1. Now let's go to the second problem. The second problem is 25x squared plus 4y squared equal to 1. Now how do we graph this one? First, how do we know what it is? First of all, you realize that both x and y are squared, so you can eliminate having a parabola. And they both have the same sign, so it's either a circle or an ellipse. This must be an ellipse. Why? Because the coefficient of x squared is different than the coefficient of y squared. So that means here we have an ellipse. But in here, it's not centered at some HK. It's centered at the origin. Because I only have x squared and y squared. I don't have x and y. So to write it in standard form, I need to make this one. So I need to divide this by 100 on both sides of the equation. Now this 25 cancels. So you end up with x squared over 4. And this one cancels as well. This divided by 4 is 1. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So you have y squared over 25 equals to 1. Okay. Now, a squared is 4. That means a is 2. And b squared is 25, which means b is the square root of 25 or 5. If you notice, a is less than b, which means we're going to have a vertical major axis. So let's see. First, we need to go to the center. The center is the origin, so that's good. We go to the right 2 and the left 2 from the center. And then from the center, we go up 5b. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one of the major vertices. And then we have to go down 5 as well. So down 5, there it is. So connecting Okay, so this is a graph, and this is one of the major vertices, 0, -5. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. See you next video. Bye-bye.